Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone even be but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and have you the computer? Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be now. I'm growing up now. Never stepped on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about playing so differently. I ain't that was time with synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone even be but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and have you the computer? Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be now. I'm growing up now. Never stepped on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break. Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about playing so differently. I ain't that was time with synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone even be but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and have you the computer? Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not interested, huh? Never been scared, could never be now. I'm growing up now. Never stepped on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here.
Great rising, gang. Let's get it. We back in action. Let's go. I am grateful for all my opportunities, all my chances. Just grateful to be here as a trader. Let's go. I am a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high-level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome ever. Take the valid setup. Call it a day. Job done, baby. I am the greatest trader. Ask and ye shall be given to. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and it shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I'm controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny, and so do you all. That's what we're here for. Just enjoying the process of resurrendering every day. I know everything is always working out for we. As long as I focus on the process, I'll always have a wonderful performance. And for our strategy, of course, we have start the timer, accept risk, Enter one tick above or below a two-legged pullback, fail two-legged pullback, lower high, higher low, fail breakout, triple test, break and retest. Play stop one tick above or below our signal bar. We got our tier 1s, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. Got our tier 1s, tier 2, tier 3s, tier 4, both for the upside and the downside. We know what we're looking for, baby. Trust the unknown. Measure risk to reward and... Deep LO, breathe, just relax. Monitor 3-bar and 1 minute chart. I am only process. Lock in 10 points, the risk to reward, break even. I am only progress. Think heavenly, think godly. Gratitude to learn, always for everything. Gratitude for everything, not just some things, everything. And let's keep it rocking. Be back on in a second. This is Sean.
Yo, Chuck,
Yo,
got a question for you.
what's up?
Did you say that you couldn't take the trade today?
What's wrong with today?
A lot of stuff going on.
When?
A lot of meetings today. This morning was crazy, you know, someone else, what's that?
Bro, that's PPI. I always tell you in the rising fits. You gotta watch out, bro.
I didn't trade.
Yeah, there's news at 10, and then I see news at 10:30, 11:30. These are all one-star news, though.
Yeah.
I don't really see. I see a 12 o'clock. I don't know. I don't really see. I don't see anything different than those other days, to be honest. It's the same thing, bro. There's been news this whole month. So before the CPI though, I'm not gonna trade anymore. They did the PPI this morning though at 8:30. Yeah, I don't. That's like the biggest news. I don't see what else they could be doing. I mean, again, as long as I take my setup, as long as they give it to me, I'm there for it. If not, I'm good. And besides, I'm only trading one contract today, so. Most I can lose is maybe $300.
11?
Said I'm only trading one contract, so the most I can lose is maybe $300 to $200. So Sean, oh, my screen's not even on. So Sean, what's about to pop up? This is my screen. All this stuff, yo. Also, you'll learn all this stuff in the classes, but I know for now you're just gonna be watching, and when we enter, you just enter with us. Right now, we just in the range, as you see. I always like to draw, so you can see my range right here. Being contained in these spots, I'm drawing all the containments, all of them. That's how I follow the price. No indicator, just the 2 EMAs, and those are just basically help, like, filter EMAs, not necessarily telling you what to do. I got a bar and everything like that I wait for, a specific pattern. The specific pattern I'm not gonna get into today, but I'll tell you psychologically I'm looking for, if it's going down, 2 pushes up. When they get trapped, I wanna enter. If it's going up, right here, 2 pushes, what did I say? So when it's going down, I'm looking for the 2 pushes up underneath my filters, my EMAs get rejected. But when it's going up, I'm looking for 2 pushes down, and then it to get rejected up, and then I'll look to take that. Really looking for the traps here. I'm looking for people making mistakes according to my strategy, and then I enter. I really don't like to enter before a mistake. Sometimes it takes a while, but that's just our strategy. You ain't got nothing to do but wait and work on yourself all day. What's going on, Britt? You? Yes, man. Hola, carga look pande. The 15-minute chart. Time is at 41. All right, we got a few more minutes here. 22. Move that to the top. Hold on here. I just do this real quick. I like to always mark out these 15-minute bar levels. Yeah, just to see. That's for me the containment, you know. So when I see that getting passed, I'm like, all right. Especially if it's clearly going the other way, all right, that's where we need to be going. Right now it's above the 21. It's trying to break below on the ES. And it's also above on the NQ, is trying to hold up. NQ already pushed through though. ES is coming down now. And then also try to look in here and see if we could see what's leading the way for today. Let's go look at these sectors real quick. Most of the market green, gold is red. Also, Sean, I usually don't take any more. I was telling you a little bit yesterday. Then like 3 trades a day. 2 in a row wrong, I'll call it a day.
Right.
You gotta stick to the rules for that. I'm not like, oh, I could just take these many trades. I know I gotta take high quality trades because I only have 3. So if I gotta sit and wait until the high quality comes in, that's just what it is. See what I'm saying?
Yep.
Just as patient as can be, man. As patient as can be. Yo, you mind just texting me a picture of your screen, Sean? I just want to make sure you're good, bro. I've had a couple little things happen to people here and there, you know? I want to make sure you're good.
All right.
Yo.
My numbers are correct, man. I don't know. Maybe there was something was wrong with my Ninja trade. I had the old version, so Gavin jumped on, and he got me right after you helped me stop the get out of my trade.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. Dude, that was crazy, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking that was the cause of probably you missing money too.
Yeah. Yo, bro, listen, bro. That's what I'm here for. Don't sit over there and be like, yeah, it's all good, bro. If I know that, I'll stop everything else I'm doing. I got you.
Yeah. And the funny thing about it is that I did it a little bit earlier. I made like 11, 1200 when you stopped me, man.
Yeah.
Again, it was like I was in there for like maybe 30, 40 minutes almost.
Yeah, man.
Before I actually said something to y'all, you know what I mean? I'm like, yo,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. That don't make sense. I mean, that's why we all here together. So it's like you might as well be by yourself if that's what you're doing, because nobody.
Nah, what it is, I didn't want to take y'all focus off watching the market. Because remember, Fritz was already in that trade.
Yeah, but bro, ain't nobody else was in the trade, and it's like, yo, you could have did that, and then it blew up your account, and then.
Yeah.
It don't make. Yeah, that don't make. We could take a break to make sure you don't blow up your account. It's all right. There's other trades.
Well, yeah, I'm good now, bro.
All right, bro. Good, man. No problem, man. I was, yo, bro. You see, I was like, no way. Shut him out. It won't let him get it back in, and he's in the trade. But, bro, as you see, I've been through all that stuff before, so I know exactly what to do and where to go. Yo, imagine I've had like 20 accounts one time running, and my thing just wouldn't come on, bro. Like, hold.
But it wasn't the yellow thing that I experienced, something else.
Yeah, it just wouldn't come on. Like, my Ninja Trader, I think the computer just needed to update that day, and it just shut down, bro.
And you had the auto trader on?
Yeah, that's the only thing that really saved me, I think, for real. Because that's the only thing I came back, and it was at least in 10 points, and thankfully it worked out, but, man, you never know, so.
Yeah, it could have been bad, yeah.
Real bad. So, yeah, man. Yo. Even right now, we got another little range in here. We got news at like 10 o'clock, right? Let's see. I think we got news at 10. So, Sean, that's also the thing as well. 10:30. We got to stay on top of the news. So there's news at 10. We don't trade at that time. We give it like a minute, couple minutes, let it calm down. So we always got to look for the news. Some people trade the news. I stay out of the news. I'm like the opposite. You got anything else you might need to clear up right now, Sean? Like I said, most of the stuff to learn, I'll show you here and there today, but it's really when we're in the class, you'll learn, overall really what we're doing. And I'm gonna try to do a class tomorrow. I just gotta see what else I got on my schedule, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But from now on, we should do it on Mondays and Wednesdays. All right. And the rest of the time, we just live trading like we doing now.
The major definitely to feel from anything to really today. You might actually have to looking for a short to go fill that gap.
What, we have more left, right? I guess I'll make sure.
Yeah, fair warning to y'all. It's the cowboy bebop of the tour, right?
Yo, that's hilarious. The man said Cowboy Bebop. That's hilarious.
So, yep. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Fritz, look at this, bro. Yo, go ahead. Who was saying something?
I was gonna tell Fritz is his plane still in bro, your plane's still in motion
What, which one?
for next month.
Yeah. I'm out of here, man. I'm out here on the 3rd. Which one? Let's check it out.
Which?
Everything is booked already. Hotels, flights.
That's how I feel when he tell me about something about the house. I have to say, brother, please clarify.
Yeah, go ahead, Terrence.
What I was saying. Now I was showing him this, bro. So, bro, Fritz got into a trade. We were trading a little bit after yesterday. Fritz got into this trade right here. And what we are working on now, man, is, bro, I know I could take a trade and get 10 points. I know that. Like, okay, everybody will get stopped out, but I know more times than not I can easily get that. You know what I'm saying? The focus now, though, is to stay in the trade as long as we have these rules in play. We got in here even above the 21. I didn't. I just waited. I didn't even take this one, the lower high. I waited for this second entry, and I got a short. Now, my risk to reward told me to get out here, so I got out here, but I was already looking for the bottom of the range. So even if you put your stop loss here, but you guys got to we just got to show you these things, because you get in a trade here, you should start looking for our strategy, right? It starts breaking down. You got first entry long, right? So we're looking for the break above first, pull back second, right? I got in right here because you can see second entry long failure. Maybe this one is a little debatable because they come right here. All right, maybe you take what you could get, right? But really your stop loss should still be right here at this yellow line. So you're still not stopped out. So if you from in here, you can start, maybe you don't add on this one, you could add this one. You could add right there, right? Now this is your zero. You got a first entry long, second entry long. You can add again. But we should really just, maybe the Apex don't allow us to so free willingly, but we still got practice, man. We just got to add, hold until the bottom. Hold. It's going your way. Just hold it. And also, some might not know it, but we got our trend line rule, right? When there's a break, we expect a new extreme, then reversal, right? So if we're in this trade and the trend line is working, why would we get out until we see a break at a new extreme? Easier said than done now when we're in the trade, but this is what we got to keep in mind. These things just can happen. And it doesn't make sense we get in, get out, get in, get out. Collect what you can. Yeah, if it's hitting your risk to reward, sure. But especially until it hits your risk to reward, just try to look for these things to help you stay in the trade. Keep looking for the strategy along the way while you're in the trade. Draw the trend line. You can see what's going on. That was a sweet trade. And then
I've been adding what Rudd and Dave talk about the baseline. So I noticed they couldn't pass 620, so they couldn't get to 650. So I said, all right, 600, and the next target is 550, and if it passes the 550, almost 500. So just stuff.
I can also add something to the
Yo.
baseline. If it is not able to make a new baseline at 550, it will go back to 600.
Right.
This is also one of the rules.
So once I see this 530, this 550 get taken out easy, and they can't come back to the 550 here, or break back above 550 to 600, then I'm looking for this. Again, easier said than done now, but this is what we gotta take the next step to. So when I'm taking these trades, like everybody who's trading and following me, we might have different ATMs. You guys can lock in your 10 points, do what you're doing, you know. But I'm trying to hold the trade now. I'm doing my best to collect and hold the trade at the same time. I don't have to take that many trades if I just hold my winning trade. Also not looking for every single one to run. That's why I have a process of like 10 points, looking at it, 15, 20. Still trying to collect. It's always going to be difficult because you never know what's going to happen in the moment, of course, but might as well just hope and think for the best for now, as much as possible, until it hits your stop loss. That was crazy. You get one of these trades every once in a while, you don't necessarily need to be trading all the time. You don't even need to be trading for the rest of the week, maybe. Do a little in and out trade on your Apex account. Count your day. But you don't need to be doing too much.
It's filling the gap, so basically, we might move on looking, so we'll see if we've got a reversal on him. Just finish filling the gap.
Yeah, we got news in 5 minutes as well. So we got this bottom right here. Failed breakout would be cool. Got a little trend line though. That still needs a break and a new extreme, unless they instantly reverse it. So again, all we use is the price. I use the price and the levels. This is my pivot, the purple level. This is a resistance area right here, this red level. Blue is the high of the day so far before the market opened. And this bottom blue is the low of the day before the market opened. So you can basically see the range of the day. So I got this trend line down. Technically, I should be looking for a break, then for it to make a new extreme, aka that liquidity run, right? And then a reversal. Yo. ES dropped out of its range as well. Even though I love the downside.
Any targets
Huh?
for the day? Jeffrey, do you have any targets for today?
Jeffrey, maybe you're on mute. Great rising, Madam Phoenix. Yes, I got first entry, pullback, second entry. Look like it's going back into the range. Huh? Well, my ES is on? 4,537?
Like, tick going like 10,000 to
2,000. Yeah, same as this one. But I go back and forth though when I'm trying to see, you know. 30-minute drop like crazy, bounced off that 5-minute EMA. So
What's going on, Madam Phoenix?
Going on, dude.
Midday, man, midday.
That's a nice background you got back there, Sir Slippington.
what's going on? What's my background? Oh, this? Man, that's old, bruh. They gonna get used to that. Yo, you know, talking about that, for real. Whenever you can, Phoenix, can you see if you can send it to me in a different format?
What you mean? What you mean?
I don't know.
To you, like Google Drive or like what do you mean?
So, what is it, a MOV? Is it a way for it to be what is it, MP4, MP3? Or what is the other one?
It comes to you MOV? It didn't come to you MP4?
Yeah. And then, so when I try to put it on, because I tried to put it on the Zoom that I was doing, and then it won't let me. And then my computer, for some reason, won't let me change it. It usually lets me just convert it. But, yeah, so I'm supposed to do a Chico class, and you already know.
Yeah.
I ain't do it. I even put the other one you made with this suitcase dude with the light thing. I put that one for now. Yeah, but I want him to be able to scan anytime I'm doing it, for sure.
Gotcha.
But yeah, you know.
So that's what you need for Zoom? You need an MP4?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
But you know, yeah, man, it's just something I got right now, you know? Whatever.
Light work.
Yeah, somebody hooked it up real quick. It's cool. Yeah, man. For real.
Look into that now.
And I got the message. Don't worry. Tomorrow.
Oh, I know you did.
Tomorrow.
I just realized what I have to do with y'all. I just need to say what I need to say and
Yeah.
just walk off.
I talked to Gravy. I was like, she's still there? He's like, nah, bro. It's okay. I figured.
Sounds good, bro.
Oh, man.
Just walked away, my friend.
Nah, I got you. Told Gravy. We locked in over here.
Oh, yeah, I know. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Nah, we gonna still get it done, though.
Where are your files?
So,
Okay,
look at this now, bro. What we got going on right here? We got like the double. Oh, so Phoenix, you know Sean, right?
What? Do I know Sean?
Yeah, Sean.
Yeah, what up, Phoenix?
Oh, Sugar Sean. Yes, I do know Sugar Sean.
There you go, Sean. Sean's in here now too.
Good, how are you?
Chilling, watching this market.
Always fun.
Let's get it.
So you said your Zoom class is later today?
I might do one today.
Which background do you want in particular today?
This same one. They can scan it up. I'm be all dripped out. I got another interview soon. I'm about to be wearing a WWI hat, a Roach gang sweatshirt, and got the Chico background. They don't even know what's going on. Right. So you handle it. You just got bumped by yourself. There's none like you. None like you. Man, you can play the music if you want. Go ahead. But you DJing though. Be mindful. Duke, be mindful. We can only DJ people who's not, you know. We got Lil Russell. We got who else? No, I was about to say we can play the Jamaican tune, but no. Then we still hunt with them. We got First Century on. A little lower high. But what's up with that uptrend? All right, news passed. So Sean, again, just a little insight. What I'm looking for, hold on quick. What I'm looking for is break belows, then a break above a bar, and then another break below. So I count them. So this is the first area right here, since this bottom, that any bars have broken below. Right here, this is one. Then it went up. Now this is breaking down. Yo, look at this. We got a second entry short. It looks good. Just this uptrend though. I think they'll go for the new extreme. But they already got new extreme right here, but they're gonna probably go for this one. Let's see if we get one more push. So I'm just counting the break below. This one broke above. This one's gonna break below. And usually I would get in on this one, but because of this range, I just want to see if they're gonna actually push it down instead of trapping these people up. Because we're still supposed to get an uptrend right here that got a break. So I'm just looking, still just looking. But that's just what I'm keeping track of all the time. Because these bars, obviously data, are still little trends. Like these little bars are showing you big moves like this. That's how I see them. It's just miniature, big moves and big up moves, big down moves. So you see, usually I'll be in this trade, but again, it's not every time it shows itself I take it. Other stuff got to be there too. This looks so good because I'm looking for the price to come back down here at the bottom. I'm looking for price to come back right here. That looks like a good short setup. But I just know with everything going on here, I stay out of that one. What I would like is if it broke up again and then came down red, I would try that one for sure. Because that second push, right? They tried to go up once, they tried to go up twice and fail. That's the two-legged pullback. You can see some of the stuff on the back of my screen here. I'm looking for this type of motion. One leg, the middle part, the connector. That's where I need to get in. I need to get in on that connector and hopefully be able to ride out that second move. So let's see if this fails right here, or if it just pushes back in. Because I'm interested right here, for sure. So if this comes down, I might take a sell. But it's got to close nice, close a decent size, and we wait for it. So I recognize a possible direction. Now I pick out one of these setups that I usually see, right? And now I just wait to see if it forms just how I want it. I want this bar to really come down and look like this bar, or come down and look red like even this bar. That would be great. You see, I just sit and wait. I'm not just jumping in. The bar should close. If it wants to do it, it'll do it. 400 ticks. Come on. And you see, I'm not going to take that trade now because that bar is really strong for a bull bar. I would need to see now a red bar close around here for me to try to take this trade. So we got the idea. If it doesn't give us what we want, on to the next. So that's why I tell you, very patient, Shaw. Very patient. And more so, maybe discipline. All right. Not gonna take this engulfing bar. The close is somewhere up here. You could think about it. But nah, I don't just take these bars. That's gonna take them out all at once. I'll wait for it. See if it could creep back up a little bit. Just a little bit more. Alright. I think I might try it. What you think? Because I'm looking for this new extreme to the downside. Yep, I think I'm gonna take, let me see the ES. I think I'm gonna take this short right here. So yeah, I just sold. I just pressed the sell button. Same thing, right? And I'm basically in it right there. Okay. So again, there you go, Sean. You got a good first trade, man. You're out. Good stuff. I'm gonna get out myself, but I'm waiting. I needed to hit that new extreme. Come on, baby. Give me it. Come on, baby. Well, I like when new people come and they get a nice first trade, but then my next thing is, don't get used to that. No. Sean, don't get used to that, all right? All right. And we're out. So, Sean, in and out. Got the new extreme. I'm in and I'm out. That's it. See y'all on the stream.